Hi guys, PJ here today with another YouTube short, how to remove the Fiesta mk7 rear light. This is a 2014 example. We're going to start with TX20 Torx bolt at the top here and the TX20 bolt just here that I've already removed. We're then going to go to the inside. We're going to grab the inside boot liner there, and then see that hole there? Right up here there's a little knob, like a plastic knob. It's really tight normally, you might want some gloves on. Basically turn it anti-clockwise and screw it. Now whatever you do, don't drop this thing down into the abyss. There we go. One plastic nail knob. Once you've done that, go around to the light. There's a popper on the side. There we go. There's a hole. And there's the popper. So you can pull it away and get to all your rear cluster quite easily to change the bulb. And guys, that's it. That's how you change or take out the light on a mk7 Fiesta. Bye for now.